Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you, and welcome to our YouTube channel Trendy Fashion Box. So how are you all? Hope everyone like more amazing ideas. This video is related for fancy handbag designs. For more elegance and gorgeous videos, you got more attractive designs like gorgeous videos. These designs are so stunning and gorgeous videos, and different colors combinations are the choice here depending on this video. And more elegant ideas, these designs are also available in this channel. For more gorgeous design, more elegant ideas, these are so amazing and amazing gorgeous handbag designs are shown in this video. And these are stones like simply velvety and jacquards and amazing leathers types. For more elegant handbag designs are shown, and easily brides and cable mothers like more amazing designs. Hope you guys like all these most elegant most gorgeous design. Like easy same amazing designs are shown in this video. These designs are so stunning in this video. We are more attractive elegant ideas. These designs are so beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, amazing designs. And handbag designs are so beautiful for every girl's, every woman's, and every party wear, walimas, dressing, and gorgeous videos. For more attractive, gorgeous, for more getting design. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and for more attractive designs like more much amazing videos. These videos are so stunning, and for more elegance ideas and for more gorgeous videos are amazing ideas. These are shows in this video, and for gorgeous ideas. Hope you guys like all these most attractive designs, like more much amazing design. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. Like gorgeous videos, we are share in these comments, and your choice is so dependent on this video. So thanks for watching our videos.